Here's a mess. I'm sorry. I'm about to fix it in the shower. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a little different. It's sort of like my last video, nighttime routine, except today's like the whole day. I'm also gonna try and make that one, this one, not 13 minutes long. Today we're gonna be doing a day in my life. So, gonna wake up, shower, and then do online work, and then bake brownies, which I've actually been doing quite a bit lately, so it is a day in my life. And then I think I'm going to the store today. I don't know. Outfit checklist last night. I literally just wore my 8th grade class of 2024 shirt and some shorts. So yeah, that was it. Like I said, my hair is so bad, but I promise it'll look better. I'm probably even gonna tie it back. Yeah, I'm just gonna tie it back today. But the first thing I'm gonna do, honestly, is just brush my teeth, because when I don't, I just, I feel unclean, Okay, I brushed my teeth, and I'm just gonna shower, so I'm out of the shower. I ended up tying my hair back. I'm being a little quiet because it's only 9:01. But here's my breakfast. 2 like sausage, I can't get in the camera, there you go. Sausage, pancake, corn dog thingies. They just heat up in the microwave for like 50 seconds, and then yeah, one doesn't fill me up, so I need 2. And yeah, I'm gonna kind of eat those while I guess I start my schoolwork. So I'm gonna go get my laptop. One of them was still a little cold, so I put them in for an extra 15 seconds. But I think I'm gonna, okay, my dog's not doing much. I think I'm gonna just get myself some orange juice. Okay, it's all the way in the back. I'm about to get these out first. Okay, there we go. Okay, orange juice. I haven't been drinking a lot of orange juice lately. It just kind of sounded good today. So. I was sleepy. Oh my goodness. So yeah, so we're gonna pee. We went bird walking for sure, but there's my phone, so I'm being quiet. A couple of but we're doing. It was either that or let me just open it. Let me show you. He absolutely is. Okay. You know, that makes me want. I'll just click this then to get there. Thank you. All I can think about is French fries. Stretch and then boom. I already did that. So. Exactly. We're doing this. Well, I'll probably weigh at least 100 pounds.
Giving yourself 1 minute just to center. Breathe.
Okay.
Small squat. And then raise.
Is she still on disability
Just a small squat.
headaches?
And then raise. Sitting down into your heels, going as low as you feel comfortable.
Okay,
breathing all the time.
I just find it absolutely bizarre that epileptics have a really hard time getting on disability, but she was on disability for headaches.
Feeling energetic and calm at the same time.
I just,
going as high as you
if she tries to bring it up and talk to me about it ever,
as low.
I'm just gonna laugh at her.
Do not.
Oh, that actually really feels
She's
good.
tried once before, I can't remember, years. To talk about her headaches, and this is before I even had epilepsy. And I was just sitting there listening going, I get it for their headaches,
Oh, wait,
that's all
we're
I
doing
can
this,
think
okay.
about.
Bring yourself up. Big shoulder roll.
I get that, I guess. But, I mean, yeah,
That
headaches
it?
are awful, but.
Okay, let's do it.
But anyway, that's me.
Oh, that actually felt good.
Here's
the actual video, if you're
So,
curious.
with a tearful eye, I gave.
I'm done. It took me about an hour, but yeah.
No, that's true.
We went to the gas station and grilled cheese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, grilled cheese. It's still cooking, but I have butter bread. And after this, I think I'm gonna bake brownies, so. I made perfect. Oh my gosh. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, I fixed my ponytail because it was all getting all messy. But anyways, so I'm actually not gonna make brownies today. I don't feel like it. So I think I'm gonna play The Sims for a little bit. I don't know. Okay, it is now nighttime, and honestly, not much happened here. I'm gonna take my hair out of. I'm about to take another shower because, yeah. But yeah, it's like 10 now, so not really much happened. Not much happened today. Was gonna make brownies, did not. So, but yeah, I guess I'm just gonna take a shower real quick. Alrighty, it is currently 2 in the morning. My hair is a mess again. I have just been laying down on my bed trying to play The Sims, but my game's broken, so I've spent the past 2 hours trying to figure out which mods could have been causing it, and I still don't know. So I posted something on Twitter, and yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video right here. If you, for some reason, like this video, make sure to like and subscribe if you have not, and put the little notification bell so you can get a notification anytime I upload. And, yeah, love you guys. Bye.